Bees are the workhorses of our planet's food system. They're responsible for pollinating roughly 1/3 of the food we eat, from the apples in our lunchboxes to the coffee in our mugs. Without them, our world would look and taste very different. Bees are dying, and the reasons are complex, interconnected, and largely our own doing. One of the biggest threats to bees is something we see every day: the loss of their home. As human populations expand, we pave over meadows, forests, and natural habitats. This isn't just about losing a place to live. It's about losing their food source. Bees need a diverse array of plants to get the nutrients they need throughout the year. But when we replace a vibrant ecosystem with a monoculture of crops or a perfectly manicured lawn, we create a food desert for them. This lack of diverse nutrition weakens bee colonies, making them more susceptible to other threats. It's like trying to survive on a diet of just one food. It's not enough to stay healthy. The second major factor is perhaps the most direct and deadly: pesticides. A class of pesticides called neonicotinoids, in particular, is highly toxic to bees. When bees forage on treated plants, they can be exposed to these chemicals. The pesticide doesn't kill them instantly, but it can impair their navigation skills, making it impossible for them to find their way back to the hive. This phenomenon, where the bees just disappear, is known as colony collapse disorder. Even at low, non-lethal doses, these chemicals can weaken their immune system, leaving them vulnerable to disease. On top of habitat loss and pesticides, bees are facing a barrage of other challenges. Climate change is disrupting the delicate timing between when flowers bloom and when bees emerge from hibernation, creating a mismatch that leaves them with no food. Warmer winters can also lead to an increase in pests and diseases. The Varroa destructor mite, for example, is a tiny parasite that feeds on bees, weakening them and transmitting viruses. This mite has become a global menace, and its spread is linked to a warming climate. The good news is that we can all be part of the solution. You don't have to be a beekeeper. Plant native pollinator-friendly flowers in your garden or a pot on your balcony. Avoid using pesticides. Support local beekeepers and buy their honey. Leave a small patch of your yard a little messy. The fate of bees is intertwined with our own. By protecting them, we are protecting our food, our ecosystems, and the very hum of life that makes our world so vibrant.